all packed up, getting ready to go out to LJT for a couple days. Melody Mountain Ranch and good Texas country, and the school bus. Getting the bus ready. Gonna head out today. Getting everything charged up. Got the bed made. AC. Okay, Captain.
Oh, that's cute.
Lay down.
Babe, Coop's the captain.
We've arrived at the bus, about to get set up. Got the gas, generator, wagon, and firewood. Got the cooler on the Jackery, which is also charging outside with the solar panel. We got our solar lights. We got the AC set up. Eventually we're gonna put a rooftop in. I just haven't installed it yet. Now we gotta get the bed ready, put the food up, and then it's time for Ashley's famous smoky toe.
Who needs a muddler? Go down no more.
Cheers. Nice little setup. As you can see, the bus still hasn't been painted. Got our solar panel on the back for the Jackery. Got our AC. You can see our solar panels on the front. Got our hookup and our generator. Got some breakfast going. Got the bacon on the Blackstone, boiling some water for my French press, some coffee, some eggs, make some tacos. Actually still sleeping in the bus. Got the French press going, bacon and eggs. Morning walk. How'd you sleep?
Pretty good.
How was your breakfast?
Very yummy.
Going for a morning walk.
It rained.
Checking out all the campers. Not really any rain, a little bit wind. Breaking Bad. Found another school bus finally. The Wandering Pug.
Be free, dinosaur, rip that all over there. Hot times get rid of so small. You're buzzing my head and it's good.
Quick nap as we watch the first half of the match.
And now you're calling me a bastard, calling me a liar. Sorry that you fell in love with someone you'll never expire. This song is for my kangaroo, everybody. The song's called This Is Us. We've seen love at its worst. We've seen love at its best. Mike? We have said some things we've come to regret. Now she likes the Beatles, and I like those.
Unfortunately, we left our wagon and chairs and cooler for about 5 minutes to go get a bag of ice after the concerts ended, and we came back and it was gone. So someone stole all of our stuff, so now we're stuck with a blanket, and that's about it. No cooler, no chairs, no wagon. We're gonna make the best of it. Time to make some s'mores. S'mores and
Baby, you're killing me.
Harry Potter time. Bedtime. Morning mimosas. Making the best. Some shitty people.
They say they fly